Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to block screenshot on WhatsApp profile picture. Firstly, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the WhatsApp page, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy. In the Privacy menu, select Profile Photo to choose who can view your display picture. From the available options like Everyone, My Contacts Except, or Nobody, choose My Contacts Except, and this will allow you to exclude specific contacts from seeing your WhatsApp profile photo. Select the contacts you want to block from viewing your profile picture and therefore prevent them from taking a screenshot of it. And once done, tap Done, and then save your changes. After saving, the selected contacts will no longer see your profile picture. Instead, they will see a gray silhouette icon, the default placeholder image of WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.